Want to give your bedroom a high-end designer look without draining your wallet? This simple DIY transformation will make your space look expensive while keeping it budget-friendly. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn a plain bedroom into a stylish retreat that feels luxurious. You don't need a huge budget, just smart choices and a few easy upgrades. Definition: a bedroom transformation means making small, impactful changes to the space you already have. Instead of rebuilding, it's about refreshing with affordable updates that bring a luxury feel. Why importance? Your bedroom is where you start and end your day. When it feels comfortable and beautiful, it boosts your mood, helps you relax, and adds value to your home. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Clear the clutter and create a clean base. Step 2. Add a feature wall with paint, peel-and stick wallpaper, or paneling. Step 3. Upgrade your bedding with layered textures like throws, cushions, and neutral sheets. Step 4. Change lighting with warm lamps, fairy lights, or modern fixtures. Step 5. Add statement decor like mirrors, framed art, or plants. Step 6. Finish with a cozy rug and subtle accessories that tie the room together. Tools explained. You'll need a measuring tape, level, paintbrush or roller, adhesive wallpaper if chosen, a basic toolkit for hanging items, and soft furnishings like cushions and rugs. Workflow: start with the base declutter and clean, then move to walls and paint. Add furniture placement next, followed by textiles. Finish with lighting and accessories for the final touch. Quick tips: stick to neutral colors with one accent shade. Use mirrors to make the room look bigger. Mix textures like velvet, cotton, and wood for an expensive feel. Cost comparison: a professional bedroom makeover can cost thousands. With this DIY approach, you can achieve a similar high-end look for under a few hundred depending on your choices. And that's how you can transform your bedroom into a space that feels expensive without overspending. Try these steps, and you'll be amazed at the results. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who loves DIY, and subscribe for more home transformation ideas.